Hi everyone, it's Milani and welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming our October favorites. I do have a couple of products, so I'm just going to jump straight in. The first product is a highlighting palette, and this right here, this is from LimeCrime. It's their Hi-Lite Opals palette, and it is seriously one of the most beautiful highlighter formulas I have ever tried, ever used. I picked this up from Marshall's a couple of months ago, and honestly I've kind of pushed aside all my other highlighters and just looking for a reason to use this. So right here we have pink, gold, and peach, and anytime I'm using this I always find a way to incorporate all three colors all over my face. Usually I'll do a little bit of peach on my nose, and then I kind of mix and go in between the pink and the gold on my face. But it's so beautiful. It doesn't make you look like you have texture on your skin. A little goes a really long way, and when you dampen your brush and you put this on, it's super intense. So a little goes a very, very long way. And I think I only got this for about $12, so $12 or $13. But yeah, I absolutely love this, and I don't know, I can't stop using it. It's just so good. The next two products I want to talk about are two eyeshadow palettes. I have been reaching for these palettes nonstop. I kind of have to stop myself sometimes from using it just so I can use other things and then test out other products as well. The first one is this guy right here. This is the Jackie Aina and Anastasia palette. This is limited edition, but if you can still get your hands on it and you've been eyeing it, I've said this before in multiple videos, I highly recommend getting your hands on this. It's such a beautiful palette. I've seen it on so many different skin tones, and everyone just looks so good wearing it. The colors they're so pigmented, so creamy, so blendable. A little goes a really, really long way. And I mean, what else can you ask for in a palette? You do have to go pretty light-handed. If you are familiar with Anastasia palettes, they do have a lot of pigment, so you do need to go in really lightly with a brush, but you do get tons of color payoff, so you're not wasting product. But absolutely love this guy. The next palette is this right here. This I got from Target. This is the Makeup Obsession and Belle Jorden palette. This was $15. This is seriously so beautiful. It's literally the most perfect fall palette for under $20. The pigments are absolutely amazing. The only one that I can't use with a brush and I feel it goes on a lot better with your fingers is this color right here. But everything blends in really nicely. It's just so good. I actually used this black for a smoky eye, and I wore it in one of my recent videos. I'm going to film that for you because it just came out really well. I was really impressed because there aren't too many palettes that have really pigmented black shadows, and this is definitely a really, really good one. I didn't need to dampen my brush. I didn't need to lay down any dark base. It just grabbed on, and I just layered it a little bit, and it was just really good. So definitely recommend getting your hands on this also if you are looking for an affordable palette. It's just a really pretty palette. It's just really good. The next product I want to talk about is something that I kind of rediscovered. I'm actually running really low on this. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I used to use this all the time. I can't really remember why I stopped using it. Maybe I got a little too light and I'm back to my normal tan, but this is such a beautiful foundation. It's just so good. It says it's a medium to full coverage. I honestly only use about 2 pumps of this, and it does everything that I needed to do, and you don't look cakey. It's really lightweight. It's just a really, really good foundation. So really have been loving this. The next product I want to talk about is something that I've only recently been using, but I've been loving it so much that I had to incorporate it in this video, and it is the Louise Base. This is in Rumor 2. I do want to get the Rumor 3 because this is a little light, but it works really, really well. It just works really well. I feel like Rumor 3 is going to be perfect for an everyday, more natural looking makeup look, but I don't know, you don't need to set this. I did set it the first time I used it, and then I tried it out again without setting it, and you don't need to set it. So it's just really good. The next product I want to talk about also is this right here. This is from Morphe. This is their brow cream, and this is in the shade Java. Believe it or not, I'm actually not wearing it on my brows today. I have been wearing it for quite a while, and I really do like it. The color is perfect. I do go in with a darker pencil, but I don't necessarily feel like I need to. I think Java is probably my perfect go-to shade, but I haven't had any issues with the product drying out. It's not too harsh. It's literally just such a great formula, and it's $5. So I have been loving this. And the next product that I want to talk about is this eyeliner right here. I've been testing this out for a little while, and I really like it. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't crease, it gets really, you can do the inner point with your eyeliner, and it just is perfect. It's just a really good eyeliner. I've had issues with eyeliners where they're bleeding, smudging, or the tip was too thick. This is literally perfect. I don't know if it's really going to pick up on camera, but it's seriously so perfect, and it dries matte. Okay, and the last product I want to talk about is this guy right here. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydra Bionic Recovery Sleep Mask. I got this in my BoxyCharm a couple of months ago, and I only recently have been reaching for it and using it. So you're supposed to put this on before you go to bed and in the morning. You know, you don't need to rinse it off or anything like that, but my skin's not doing the greatest. And I always feel like when your skin's not at its best, when you're testing out products and you're using things, it's easier to see what's helping your skin. And I do feel like my skin just looks a lot better in the morning. So I really do like this. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do, but whatever it's supposed to do, it's doing it. But yeah, I've really been liking this a lot. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.